What's going on, guys? It's your boy Devontae Harris back with another video, and like I promised, every Wednesdays and Sundays there will be a new video for you guys. And check this out, a Wednesday is the business vlog, anything business related, okay? And then Sundays are the artists artists drawing videos, vlogging videos, things of that nature, and that's what we're gonna do. So as of right now, YouTube, what's happening? It's been a minute since I said that, since I've done that. Without further ado, I bid you adieu, bye-bye. And let's get into the video. This might look like an ordinary sketchbook, composition book if you will, but it's not. This is Devontae's fucking iPad. Real quick, before we actually dive into this drawing, I have a 420 experience coming to you guys. This is just a little taste. You'll see on my page actually, eventually, what I have planned. A little play on Disney, and I'm flipping it. So, you guys know Mickey Mouse. This is Morty Mouse. A dank ass version of Mickey Mouse, and that's what we're gonna do. I already have the sketch laid out for you guys. So now what we're gonna do is just give it some character, bring it to life, you know what I'm saying? Give Morty some you know what I'm saying? Mickey Mouse is cool. He's just a little peppy. We need something super dankish. So that's what we're gonna do. Let's get back into the drawing. Okay guys, now that we have the final image done, let's just go ahead and check it out. This is like one of the ugliest fucking drawings I've ever done. Yes, guys, I know it's not the best. I just wanted to play around with some dank ass fucking mouse Disney fucking thing. I don't know. So that's a little weed nug right there, and then this is just a dank Mickey Mouse. His name is Morty Mouse, and this is his treehouse. There's no treehouse, but you get the gist of it. I think I'm gonna turn this into a sticker. So now you have it, guys. That was my little silhouette experience. What? The high gloss adhesive paper for stickers. No way, shape, or form was this a tutorial. I just wanted to make the sticker because I got that ability. Morty Mouse's treehouse, and there's his little weed ned right there. I go hard, huh? That's so ugly. I know, ugly ass Morty Mouse, Mickey Mouse brother and shit.
Did you print me the primary one or no?
What primary one? I have the primary stickers. Jeez.
I just seen that one. I didn't see that one before.
Primary Printco stickers. Some good vibe stickers right there.
Wait, I have all your stickers on here.
Okay guys, so that is the end of the video. Oh wait, did you want to show the... Let me see. Oh, here's some of the stickers that I've made. This is not a sticker video, guys. This is a drawing video, but it somehow turned into a sticker video. But thanks for watching that small drawing video. They will be better. I also have to figure out a better setup for the iPad so to get the colors much more brighter and stuff like that. I don't know how some of these YouTubers do it, but I'll figure that out. So I don't know, because I mean the color was okay, but it just didn't show like I wanted to, possibly. But Jesus, there we go. I appreciate you guys watching. Please drop a like, comment if you want to see something else, and yeah, you can follow my Instagram at bliss__art for any more artwork, but we'll get into the outro right now. Thank you guys. I will see you on Wednesday.